I got a Temu. I got a Temu. Let's see what we got. I'm excited. Thanks for watching, and comment what you would make. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy to share with you guys exactly what it was that I did with the fish tank. It was amazing, and the products were low price. You got to try out Temu. Use my code to go ahead and get you some Temu today. It'll either be in the caption or in the description box. My name is Dominique Nash. Signing off. I hope you have a great day. I'm gonna enjoy my love ambience. Bye.